Welcome to our next lesson on establishing effective feedback channels. Before I move ahead, let me ask you a question. Can you guess who is the most important stakeholder in your business? I will give you a few seconds to think about it. Well, it's neither your team nor your investors. While team members and investors are important, the most important stakeholder for any business is the customer. But why? Because it's the customer who ultimately decide the success or failure of your product. We all as founders are building this business for them. If they don't like what we offer or aren't willing to pay for it, then the entire effort becomes meaningless. Customers are the heartbeat of any business, and their feedback is the lifeline that keeps your product relevant and competitive. Until now, we have focused on understanding our customers through market research, segmentation, and developing customer personas, all from the founder's perspective. But now, it's time to turn the tables and listen directly to what our customers have to say. In this lesson, we will learn how to gather, analyze, and leverage customer feedback to refine our product and strategy. We will explore different feedback channels such as surveys, focus groups, user testing, and in-depth customer interviews. Feedback channels are crucial because they help you to understand your customers' thought, experiences, and expectations. Without feedback, you're essentially guessing at what your customers want. But with effective feedback channels in place, you can make informed, data-driven decisions that truly resonate with your audience. Different feedback channels serve different purposes, each providing unique insights into your customer's experience, preferences, and needs. By understanding the feedback channels available, you will be better equipped to choose the right mix for your business. So, let's look at some of the common feedback channels and also understand how do they work. The first one is customer survey. Surveys are one of the most widely used tools for collecting customer feedback and are one of the most straightforward and cost-effective ways to gather large amount of data. Surveys allow you to gather both quantitative data like ratings and qualitative insights like open-ended responses. Surveys can be distributed online through emails or even in-app and are great for reaching a large audience and can be tailored to gather specific information such as customer satisfaction, product preferences, or service experiences. Think about that Zomato rating you do after every food delivery, or that Uber rating that you do to the driver after the ride is done. That is almost what a customer survey on a rating scale would look like. The next one is focus groups. Focus groups involve bringing together a small, diverse group of customers to discuss your product or service in detail and are a powerful tool for gathering in-depth, qualitative insights. These sessions are typically moderated and allow you to engage directly with participants in a controlled setting, facilitating discussions that can uncover deep insights into customers' perspective, experiences, preferences, and motivations. Focus groups are especially useful when you want to explore new ideas, test concepts, or understand the emotional factor driving customers' decisions. The next one is customer interviews. In-depth customer interviews allow you to gather detailed, qualitative feedback directly from your customers. Unlike focus groups, these interviews are one-on-one interactions that allow for a deeper dive into individual experiences, motivations, and feedback. These one-on-one conversations provide a deep understanding of individual customer experiences, needs, and challenges. While focus groups and customer interviews may look similar, focus groups gather insights from a small, diverse group of customers through moderated discussions, while customer interviews provide in-depth, one-on-one insights into individual customer experiences and needs. The last feedback channel is user testing. User testing is a hands-on approach where real users interact with your product in a controlled environment to identify usability issues and gather feedback on functionality and user experience. By observing customers as they use your product, you can identify usability issues, understand their pain point, and gather suggestions for improvement. Businesses that are active on social media can leverage the power of analytics and can also use social media for gathering customer insights. By monitoring what customers are saying about your brand online, you can gather real-time insights into customers' sentiment, identify emerging trends, and address issues as they arise. Social media listening allows you to engage with your audience and respond quickly to both positive and negative feedback. Each of these feedback channels offer distinct advantages, and the key is to select the ones that best align with your business needs and goals. Combining these channels will give you a well-rounded understanding of your customers and help you make more informed decisions. No matter what combination of channels you use, the key is listening to your customers and understanding what they want. Interaction with your customers can provide valuable feedback about common issues, customer pain points, and areas where your product or service might be falling short. By analyzing all this data and feedback, you can identify trends and make improvements to enhance the overall customer experience. In the next video, we will quickly see the steps involved in implementing and executing each of these feedback channels before moving on to the assignment.